How to add YouTube chat to your live stream. Hi, I'm Ellen Santos, a support specialist at JMV Technology. Today, I'll show you how to add YouTube chat to your OBS Studio live stream using Streamlabs. If you're new to OBS Studio, we offer a free comprehensive course. Scan the QR code. Visit the Streamlabs website. The link is in the video description. Click Login and sign in with your YouTube account. Click on Chat box. Make sure the YouTube checkbox is ticked. You can add other platforms if they're linked to Streamlabs. Here you can customize your chat. Under Style, you'll find some layouts. On the right, you'll see a preview. This option shows the platform icon for each comment. This is useful if you're streaming on multiple platforms. These emote options are mainly for Twitch. You don't need to check these. Below, we can hide bot comments and commands starting with exclamation marks. We can also hide comments from specific users and block certain profanities. Here, you can set a delay for messages to appear on screen. I recommend 0, as the tool already has a built-in delay. Adding more delay might make it too slow. Below, we can keep messages on screen or set them to disappear after a few seconds. Here, you can toggle text animations on or off. Here, we can change the background color, text color, and font size. Further down, we can enable sound for messages. Once configured, click Save and let's add this to your stream. Up here, we have the chat link. First, click Launch and then Show. This opens a window where your chat will be displayed. Then copy the link. In OBS, click the plus button in Sources and add a browser source. Enter a name for identification and click OK. Paste the link you copied and click OK. Adjust the size and position of the chat on screen. I've already set up the broadcast for YouTube. If you're unsure how, we have a tutorial on integrating OBS with YouTube. Click the card. Then start your YouTube stream and chat messages will appear live. Check out JMV Technology's video streaming plans for multi-platform broadcasting and exclusive features. For more info, scan the QR code. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and follow us for more content.